The Chevy Equinox key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, first locate the small notch or seam on the side of the fob. Here's what a typical Chevy Equinox key fob looks like. Models from 2018 to 2025 follow this design. First, locate the small notch or seam on the side of the fob. This is where you'll insert the tool. Gently use a flathead screwdriver or keyring tool to pry the case open. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery. Note which side faces up for proper orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure correct polarity. Snap the case back together securely. Test the buttons to confirm it works. Remember to be gentle during prying to avoid cracking the plastic. Disconnect the fob from your keychain before starting and consider wearing gloves to avoid getting fingerprints on internal components. Now that you've replaced the battery, here are essential tips and troubleshooting steps to ensure your Chevy Equinox key fob works properly. First, test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm the vehicle responds correctly. If the vehicle doesn't recognize the fob, reprogram it. Turn the ignition to the on-run position, press the lock button 3 times, then cycle the ignition off and on. For optimal lifespan, ensure the battery is from a reputable brand like Duracell or Energizer. These provide reliable performance and longer life. If you live in a humid climate, consider using silicone seals to prevent moisture corrosion and protect the fob's internal components. On 2024 and newer models, you can monitor battery status using the My Chevrolet app for proactive replacements. If problems continue, consult your Chevy owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps or seek assistance from a qualified technician. Lastly, remember to recycle your old battery at an auto shop to prevent environmental waste and promote sustainability.